Welcome to Bit Technologies. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss what is real world object and what is software object and what are the similarities between them. The word objects dictionary meaning is a material thing that can be seen and touched. That it can be seen and touched. Means in this world, everything you see or touch that are an object. If you look around you, you will find many examples of real world objects like your cat. It is a real world object which you see in your surroundings. Your mobile phone, your laptop, your other uh, things you see in your surrounding. Everything is an object. And all these objects, they have state and behavior. State and behavior. These all objects, they have state and behavior. Like if you see a cat, so cats have state. They have their name, color, breed. Okay, these are cats state. And its behavior, they speak and they jump. This is another behavior. And they catch mouse. So these are the behavior that cat object displays in our real world, the cat we see. Same way we have mobiles. So what mobiles have state? They also have camera size. They have memory and they have some display size. These are the states of a mobile object, and its behaviors are they make call, play songs, and take picture. These are the behavior of mobile. Same way you can observe and list all of the other objects state and behavior. Like you have television, so you can think what all the states this television have and what behavior he can perform. So how these real objects are produced? Okay, like take mobile. How this mobile object is produced? Like if a certain XYZ company wants to launch a new version of mobile, So first what he will do, he will make a specification. In this specification they will define the new version of mobile, what things this mobile will have. Like this newer version mobile's camera size will be 64 megapixel, 54 megapixel, okay, any. And it's a display will be 6 inches and its memory will be 128 GB and RAM size they want to give 6 GB, okay. And its behaviors like make call, using that mobile you can make call. Another behavior, play song. And another behavior, shoot video. And take pictures also. So these specification they will give to assembly line workers. In assembly line workers, what they will do, they will start producing mobile. And they will produce different mobiles, okay. So these specification they will give to assembly line workers, and assembly line workers what they will do, they will start producing mobiles. In other words, we can say this is a blueprint. Using these objects is being created. Same way, if another company like which makes car, he wants to launch a new car, what they will do, they will give a blueprint to its assembly line workers with specification. That blueprint will have specification, means this car object will have this specification, and assembly line workers they will produce cars and launch into the market, which we see in our surroundings. Many cars, different models. So let's see what is software objects. Okay, software objects are conceptually similar to real world objects. Software objects they also have state and behavior. To build a software objects we also need a blueprint, okay, and using that blueprint we make software objects. That blueprint we call class, okay. In a class we define state and behavior. If you want to make a cat object, same cat objects in software, so how to build? For this you need a blueprint, and this a blueprint in software we call a class. So this is a blueprint. I'm making a blueprint, and using this blueprint we will make a cat object in software. So class is a blueprint. Here first we will define its state. So Cat's state are they have color, they are certain breed, and they have a name. These are state of a cat. And what behavior? Exhibit multiple behaviors. Like they can meow, they can jump, they can run and catch mouse. Using this blueprint, we will create object in software. Okay. So how to create objects? Like I want to make 4 cat objects in software. For this, we use cat1 equal new cat. So this one object, what it will do? It will make a new object. So where these objects will be created? These software objects will be created into memory. Okay, like real world objects which we see in our surroundings. But software objects, they created into the memory where your program runs. Okay, so same way we have to build 4 cat objects. We will just copy paste and it will create 4 cat objects. Okay, and these all 4 objects will be in memory. We can say that class is a blueprint using which we create objects in software or in Java language. And these software objects, they are similar to real world objects and they have state and behavior. So these are states. State, this is another state and this is a state. And this is behavior. This cat displays 4 behaviors. In Java, these state we call FIEL, field. And other programming language, we call it variable. Okay. Same way behavior in Java we call method. And other programming language we call it function. In Java also we can say that, no problem, we can say this is state or field or variable. Any name you can say. Okay. And same way we can call it method, function or behavior. Okay. But in Java we say it field and this behavior we say method. Okay. We can say that this object is instance. We can call object instance of kite class. Okay, we can say this is object. Okay, object also you can say, and this is object and instance of kite class. Instance, we can say object or instance. Yes, both we can say this. If I say instance means it is an object. So here I will write some code. Okay, inside these behaviors I will write this. So when you call these methods, so these message will be printed. My cat meows, cat jumps, and this cat runs, and this cat catches mouse. So these four methods we have built. Means in this class, in this blueprint, I have defined 3 state and 4 behaviors. Means once this object will be ready, it will perform these actions. Okay, and these are its states. So how to create object in software? Since our Java program starts from main method, so I will create here objects. Okay, it will start from main method. So in this class I will create objects. Cat1 equal new cat. Okay, and what I will do, I will just call its methods. Cat1 dot meow. Okay, same way other methods. Cat2 dot jump, sorry, cat1 dot jump, cat1 dot run, and cat1 dot catch mouse. Okay, so what this line will do, as we have seen, this line will create a cat object. Okay, and since this object will be created into memory, and we can call its methods, its function we can call. So I have called here. This is the way we will see in methods and class. So since it is ready, and let's run this our class. You see, we got output all of the 4 actions: meows, jumps, runs, catches mouse. So these are the similarities between real world object and software objects. Our real world objects, they are in our surroundings. We can see them, we can touch them. But software objects, they built into memory. They created into memory where your program runs, and we use them. To build software objects, we use a blueprint. That blueprint we call class. Okay, we use class to create a software object. So what is class? Class is a blueprint using which we create objects in software or in Java. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.